Welcome to another video, welcome to the channel. And it's a cold Tuesday morning here at the aviation viewing area at Manchester Airport. Come and join us, let's go and check out some planes. And before we start a bit of plane watching, I reckon it's time for a bit of brekkie here in this wonderful cafe. This is the smallest espresso I've ever had for £2. The bacon balm looks pretty good actually. Arrived at the AVRJX 100, originally designed by Havilland and listed the 146th design. It was named the 146. First flight 23rd September 2001, last flight 6th of Feb 2003. And this would actually go 1,630 nautical miles. Let's go and have a look. So for 2024, it's going to be our last time on an aircraft until 2025. There we go. We are in the Avro. Really good. It tells you all about how it began, all the series. Fabulous. Wow. Check that out. The escape rope helped test crews to exit the aircraft in the event of an emergency. Test aircraft had no passenger seat in the cabin. So you used to have to just hold onto those ropes. And there we go. There's the cockpit. It's only small, isn't it? And we've certainly got a beautiful morning here at Manchester Airport today. There's Glynn coming out of the AVRJX. It's really good when you can actually come and visit spectacular aircraft like this. Did you know the Avro 146 RGX was the last aircraft manufactured in the UK? And it's approximately the same length as the largest mammal on Earth, the blue whale. And it was nicknamed the Whisperjet due to its quiet operation. How cool is that? We're going to start the day by Virgin Atlantic non-stop to Orlando, Florida, the city beautiful. So you can't think those guys in about 9 hours time they're going to be heading to Disney World, Epcot, and all those fabulous places. Central Florida. Behind it we've got Singapore Airlines heading non-stop to Houston, Texas. So Singapore Airlines actually flies from Singapore to Manchester and then Manchester to Houston. So you're going to be about 10 hours and they will be in South Texas. And there we go, they are off to Orlando, Florida. The weather over in Central Florida is absolutely beautiful at the moment. We're using the iPhone 5x zoom today for you guys. And that one's taking off on runway 2. There we go. All those lucky people. Mickey Mouse. Next stop. Landing is Air France from Paris, Charles de Gaulle. We've got a good shot there of Air France from Paris. Singapore Airlines behind, just waiting probably for the wind shear of Virgin to clear. And there we go, Singapore Airlines to Houston non-stop. And all them guys have probably got the cowboy hats on and the cowboy boots. Should be a beautiful day in South Texas when they land there. There we go, they're off to the Lone Star State. And Brussels Airlines coming in from Brussels, Belgium. Icelandic Air, all the way from Reykjavik, Iceland. Now that place must be spectacular at the moment with the active volcano going on. Iceland's always somewhere that I would love to go. Reykjavik would be amazing. Arriving now is Pegasus from Istanbul, Turkey. Hope you're enjoying the video today. We are going to be here until Emirates lands from Dubai. And we have a friend coming on Emirates today, all the way from Brisbane. And there we go, Pegasus Airlines. Let me know in the comments, what are they like to fly on? Such a beautiful morning here at Manchester today. A little bit frosty this morning, but starting to warm up quite nice. And Ryanair landing from Budapest, Hungary. Ryanair, let me know in the comments. I'm sure there'll be some interesting ones on Ryanair, how good or bad they are. Never flown them, maybe one day. And yeah, they've come in from beautiful Budapest. Currently we've got EK17 just west of Amsterdam, about 29 minutes away. And of course that is going to be the big Airbus A380 from Emirates. We've got Pegasus Airlines from Antalya, Turkey. We've got SAS heading for Copenhagen for a takeoff. And then just behind it is the Manchester to London Heathrow shuttle. Lots of activity now. That was Pegasus from Antalya, Turkey. Ryanair's off to Carcass Coney. Never heard of that in my life. Let me know in the comments where that is. Temperature today is 5 degrees Celsius, 41 Fahrenheit, no wind, just a beautiful November's day. We've got EasyJet there coming in from Paris Charles de Gaulle. Jet2.com heading to Lanzarote. Canary Islands, they're heading to the sun. So these guys have been looking at the Eiffel Tower probably this morning or last night. Not been to Paris since I was a kid. And this one's coming in from Lyon, France, EasyJet. Emirates EK17, just over Whaley Bridge, over the Peak District. Ready for its descent into Manchester Airport today. And we can just see Emirates EK17 just approaching Manchester Airport. Right, we're going to let this roll, and you can see this wonderful sight of Emirates landing on this beautiful sunny November's day here at Manchester. So this is all the way from Dubai, probably about 7.5, 8 hours. And we do have a friend on here all the way from Brisbane. And what a beautiful day she's chosen to land. It's just an incredible aircraft, double-decker. Potentially 830 people on board this aircraft. I do apologise, we have a lot of children around today with the screaming, so I apologise for the sound there. Yeah, we have lots and lots of screaming and shouting. Almost touchdown, here we go. There we go, touchdown in Manchester. Picking up a lot of water as it lands there today. And Sue, welcome to England. And here it goes, heading down to the parking lot at Terminal 1. Just amazing, isn't it? Look at that, just absolutely beautiful shot. We're getting a fabulous shot with the iPhone 5x zoom today. There we go. Hope you've enjoyed this beautiful sunny video from Manchester this morning. If you have, give me a thumbs up, drop me some comments, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next adventure real soon.